What is the FerMatrix? This is something that I invented. I like to say it's a new way to look at fermented food recipes. I wanted to kind of help people understand who are new to fermentation, what the relative complexity of a particular dish was going to be. This is all covered in deep detail in the book. We've got a whole chapter at the beginning called Enter the FerMatrix. 7 to 21 are the easiest and the hardest recipes in the book. So here's a snippet from the book. This is our hot pepper sauce recipe. So hot pepper sauce happens to be right about the middle of complexity. If we look at into the book, it actually gives you the description of each one of these aspects one by one. Number of ingredients, brine required, whether there's climate control needed, the number of days of fermentation, the number of fermentation phases, the total amount of preparation time in hours is the next aspect, whether there's any special equipment needed to make that particular ferment, whether there's a starter involved, and finally, whether there's a hazard factor. Yeah, if you just want to flip through and check out some of the recipes, you can spot. Here we go in our kimchi chapter. We've got eggplant kimchi with a score of 14, bok choy kimchi with a score of 12. You can always get a copy on Amazon, Kindle paperback or hardcover.